Yo. All right, so another trade recap today. So today I took one trade, one win, and I think I'm just gonna make it like a rule. Like I got that from Kane, Trader Kane. He basically takes 2 losses a day and then he walks away, or he takes 1 win a day and then he walks away. I think I'm gonna implement a rule as well because I said in the beginning like I'm fine with taking 1 win and then taking another trade, which could be a win or a loser. If it's a winner, then more money. If it's a loser, then I'd still be up on the day, but I just like to be up the first win and not take another risk. Like you don't want to be exposing yourself to another trade or another potential loser in the market. So, but I took 1 win today. It was 400. Oh, it was 444 profit. So it was 1 win. Took 75% off at a 1 and 2, and then let a partial run, but the partial never got hit, but that's fine. So today, going into today, I was actually bullish. What we had from yesterday as well was yesterday I was bullish as well. I don't know why this is double. Yesterday I was bullish as well. Because we were inside this 4 hour, we closed below yesterday there. So I was expecting like, okay, maybe from there I'm looking for shorts. But you can see like ES was still inside this singular 1 hour BISI, which it was still respecting. So that's why I was still bullish. So I was also looking for bullish price on yesterday, but yesterday I couldn't get an entry or didn't find an entry. And then here today you can see we're still inside of this 4 hour BISI, and then ES still inside of this gap as well. We are holding this SIBI as well, but I don't look at that. Like the bias is still bullish because of that. This is like the range here, and we're still holding that BISI, and the bigger time frame is bullish. So that's why. And then 9:30 open was actually a crazy day today. 9:30 open, dropped all the way lower, and then I did have these equal lows here, which I had marked. Right there. There, and equal lows. And then for yes, yeah, that was already taken. Yeah, I did have it marked out on NQ. And then I had optimal trade entry on here as well. So it actually, with this drop, I was saying like, yeah, this is like really bearish. Like I think we're gonna go to the lows, but that's like trading, or that's like what I think versus what I see. I think we're gonna go lower, but what I'm seeing is we're still bullish, so we should still be going higher. But yeah, I wasn't. It didn't look like it in the case. Like we had this huge drop lower. I said, okay, maybe we have the retracement here. We're also in equilibrium here. Then drop, then pushed higher here. And then once we dropped below this, I thought, okay, yeah, there's no way that we're gonna recover from this. Then I had a huge drop again, and then I was thinking, yeah, that's gonna be it. And then again, drop all the way lower, had the optimal trade entry on here as well. Dropped in there, had a reaction of yeah, somewhere like optimal trade entry, you could say like that's pretty subjective, but I do like it. Like I've seen some nice reaction of it. That's like the last line of defense basically. And so react off this, went all the way higher, and then had a huge push higher. I was still looking for bullish price, but I didn't get it set up until here, until we create more structure here, still in the right time. So I trade from 9:30 to 11:10, 11:15, sorry. And then we did is we dropped lower just on the 1 minute. We took out this swing low, right there. So we took out equal lows here, there, and then we had a singular SIBI here, there. Ooh. And then that's the inversion, and then we closed above on this candle. That was my entry. My stop was on a low because that invalidates the trade. You can see almost literally got stopped out with like, what is this, like 5 ticks. And then this is like the first target, but that's a 1 of 13. And my first target is at least a 1 of 2, which I see now this should have been, oh no, this wasn't my target because ES already hit it on that there. So this was actually the target that was starting, but I need at least a 1 or 2, which was extended here. And then here I did 75% off. I was in with 6 contracts, I think. So no, I was in with 5 contracts. I took 4 contracts off here. So 80% I took off, like I can't do 75. I took 80% off there. So 4 contracts. I let one runner go, which I let it go to this buy set up here. Right there, and then for ES or NQ hits it, or ES, so the buy set up there, which is also the opening range high. And you can see we dropped lower, and then I got stopped to break even on this here, this candle. Then we traded lower. I wouldn't have been stopped out on this, but like I don't even want to be in this trade when this reversed all the way. Like look at these equal lows that we generate. Like I don't even want to be in this, but you can see still holding here and gonna push higher. The setup formed here again, like if I was still trading at the time here, and this would have been a beautiful setup as well. Like the inversion here, take equal lows, the closure above here, and then yeah, you can see the run also. But it's outside my trading time, so nothing to worry about. But you can see eventually we did go, or not yet, but we did on ES. So ES hit it on 1443, so that would have been right there. So let's say I was holding it or I was entering, that would be a 4 to 5 RR. But yeah, that's like no worries about that, no feelings about it or for it. But yeah, that's basically it for today. Pretty crazy day, and then yeah, 1 win a day, and then I walked away. Like that was it. Like pretty good day, I would say. So now the account is back around at break even, 49k, $905, and then still trading tomorrow. Like tomorrow's still trading day, Friday. See what news we have. I don't even know. We have 9:45 PMI news. So yeah, it will be a good trading day as well, I think. And I locked myself out of this one. Like I don't want to be taking accidental trades. Like I'm not gonna take a trade out of revenge or emotions or anything, but just so I don't take a what is it, like an accidental trade. So yeah, what I have marked here, so this is stage accumulation and all-time high. So I think, I don't know why, but I said in Discord as well, like I have a feeling like this is setting itself up for like an overnight session run. So London and Asia is probably going to push higher and then just not take out the all-time highs. But then like New York session, like early New York session, maybe takes out the all-time highs. And yeah, I do think that we're going to go to all-time highs now. Again on Friday, like that would be like a nice weekly objective if we go to all-time highs. So that's what I'm thinking. Standard deviation, I do have it on here, like it doesn't really matter, but just above the all-time highs. Yeah, that was it. What else? Yeah, that's basically it. Gonna end it here, and yeah, see you.